So you are curious about Coconut Grove in Miami, Florida. Why people choose to live in this area? What's the lifestyle, the community, the public spaces, restaurants, hotspots to go to, things to do, housing prices, and much more? Well, you are in the right place, and I hope that by the end of this video, you will have a better sense if this neighborhood is the right fit for you. I am Stefania Mogollon, your Miami local real estate agent, and if you are considering Coconut Grove to live, to move, to relocate, to invest here or in any other neighborhood, do not hesitate to reach out to me. All my information is going to be down below. Send me a text, send me an email, give me a call. I'll be gladly able to help you. And without further ado, let's get started with Coconut Grove Super Tour. Coconut Grove is an affluent and historic neighborhood founded on the 1800s. It has a chic atmosphere and diverse culture. It also combines nature and infrastructure very well, making it a very unique neighborhood in a growing city like Miami. It has incredible lush green landscaping and multiple parks like Barnacle Historic State Park, which is a bayfront park with a mangrove forest. It has the Vizcaya Museum and Gardens, which is centered on an Italian-style villa, one of my favorites. And of course, water sailing clubs and marinas like the one that I have right behind me. And here at the Grove, like a lot of people call it, the lifestyle is very, very diverse. Of course, you have the relaxing and quiet activities to do in the park that I already mentioned, but you also can with these incredible commercial spaces with plenty of options for dining, for shopping, even Michelin-starred restaurants and local shops that you cannot miss. But you also have these commercial spaces like Coco Walk that's relatively new compared to the history that this town has, that counts with incredible dining and shopping options. And all around this area, you can find coffee shops, local bookstores, plenty of options for all ages, for kids, for adults. If you want a place to work, you have it all over here. Among the dining places that we can find here, we also have Michelin-starred restaurants like Ariete, Sadel, Sapore di Mare, and other local shops that have been around for years and offer incredible healthy meal and juices and options for vegans and anything that you can find. Another incredible spot that you cannot miss is the organic farmers market on the weekends. That's incredible. You can find plenty of fresh produce, organic, homemade meals, and more. And here in the Grove, like I already mentioned, we can find iconic stores for anyone, for kids, for female, for men. I'm going to show you this one because it is adorable. I personally love to come to Coco Walk on the weekends because you can find plenty of options for brunch or breakfast. It's so cozy, so adorable. Everybody's always in a good mood. This is filmed on a weekday and you can already see how busy it is. And on the weekends is way better. What truly sets Coconut Grove apart, though, is its intimate connection with nature. You can see the magnificent towering trees forming lush canopies overhead, creating enchanting tunnels of shade that invite you to explore further. It's a tranquil retreat from the hustle and bustle of city life, where you can immerse yourself in the soothing embrace of the natural world. Here you can find picturesque streets and a delightful mix of old-world charm and modern vibrancy. The neighborhood's historic homes date back to the late 1800s and 1900s, and you can find cozy Mediterranean villas to elegant Spanish colonial mansions and stylish Art Deco residences, but also find sleek modern residences blending seamlessly with the history of this beautiful town. One of the main reasons many families move to Coconut Grove is schools. If you have kids and you're growing a family, of course you want the best for your child. And Coconut Grove has several schools that are top in Florida, but also nationwide. Some of them are Ransom and Kirtland, that are in the top list of best schools in the nation and top 1 and 5 in the state of Florida. Carleton School of the Sacred Heart is an only girls Catholic day school and serves girls from ages 3 to 18. It has 5 independent learning communities, including Montessori, primary and intermediate school. And their mission is to educate women leaders who have a strong faith in God, intellectual values, and a commitment to social awareness. Other elementary schools here in Coconut Grove are Francis Tucker School, Sandhog Catholic School, Coconut Grove Elementary School, and of course you also have Coconut Grove Montessori School. Like I mentioned before, we also have Ransom Everglades School, which is one of the best college prep day schools for grades 7 to 12. And it aims to offer an educational environment in which the pursuit of honor, academic excellence, and intellectual growth complement their physical, cultural, and character development. Also, the school's tropical campus provides a vibrant environment for fostering critical thinking and creativity. Other middle schools you can find are Matter Grove Academy and MCA Academy. How is Coconut Grove divided and where is it located? The best part is right next to Brickell, so you can have the proximity of the party scene, amazing restaurants, and a vibrant lifestyle, yet in a very calm area. It's south of Brickell, right next to Coral Gables, and like you saw already, is by the water, so you have the best of all scenarios. Now, Coconut Grove is divided like in 3 parts, so I'm going to explain. First, we have the North Grove, which is the closest part to Brickell. Single family properties here average at $2.3 million and the price per square foot average $900. Then we have the Middle Grove, which is around the shops and around the restaurants. The median sale price in this area is $1,475,000 and the price per square foot is a little lower, it's around $750. Then we have the South Grove, which is where the gated communities and most expensive houses are and are closer to the private schools. Properties here average a sale price of $2.15 and $908 per square foot. This has been all for today, and I hope this video helped you understand and have a better feeling about this neighborhood and decide if this is the right fit for you. If you're looking to make the move to Coconut Grove or any other area in Miami, Florida, remember that I am here to help you make the move. I am Stefania Mogollon, your local Miami real estate agent, and all my information is going to be down on the description box. Send me a text, give me a call, send me an email, and I'll be honored to help you.